Hey guys, watch this. Hope it's tuna fish. Not sure, but it looks fresh and healthy as well. So let's see how it gets sliced. Hey guys, watch this. Fish cutting video, fish slice. See how thin the slice is. It's coming in perfect shape and size. It's not tuna, but it's some sort of alternative to that tuna fish. It looks yummy, and if it gets fried, it tastes yummy for sure. And this quick reflex of cutting. Here comes the tail, and there it goes. Let's start from the beginning. Here, this is the fish.